Before I attach the handles, I'm going to polish it. This is a 220, then I'm going to switch to a 320. I'll be using light pressure. And this is Easy 2 Tips and Tricks, where you see everything up close and personal. Remember, tell a friend it's a win-win-win, and never give up, because there's always a way, always. Now these knives are going to Sprinkle Donut Forge and Mike Ranger 92308. They won the giveaway for the knives. Forge knives. Alright, let's do this. Alright, now this is going to be at the same height as my book matched handles, alright? Now here's my handles. I'm going to lay this here. Alright, I'm going to position the blade exactly where I want it. Okay, now if you notice here, I am bringing the handles right up here to the back side of this blade. Alright, right there. Now I'm going to position the blade, the handles, the blade to the handles. Okay, so I get that laid out exactly where I want them. Alright, now all I'm going to do, alright, actually I'm going to bring this up just a tad more. I want it right there so that it meets right behind where the blade stops, right there. Okay, now on this knife I am going to then mark here and mark here. Next I'm going to clamp. This isn't necessary, okay, but it will help with getting everything lined up. Okay, so I'm going to clamp this next. Alright, now I want to use a clamp. Alright, now we're just going to drill straight through. Alright, this is all clamped nice and snug. Keep this straight, we're going through. And next. Alright, now I'll be able to put these handles on the sides and we'll be able to ping them and get them mounted. Alright, it worked. Now we're going to cut our rods and we're going to ping the ends. Alright. Okay, I've got the pins cut. Now let's around the ends and clean them up. Alright, these washers. Alright, just so that we don't dry this down too deep, so I'm going to put these washers over. Alright, now we're going to ping this. Okay. Alright, one's been pinged. You can see it's kind of moved over. I'm going to have to fill it. Alright, now let's do the other. Now I'm just going to use a single washer. Alright. Okay. Alright, there we are. They've been pinged. Alright, I'm going to fill it just a little bit with some wood putty. Okay, that's going to take a little wood putty. Alright, now we're going to shape it. Be shaping this handle. Alright, this is where we're at the present time. Okay, this needs more contour to the handle. That's what we're looking at.